Hey, it's me again. Congratulations, you just make an order successfully from Taobao store with OFR shipping address. So what is the next? You wonder how to fill the order form and how OFR know what you order and which one is yours. So the next step, you're going to fill the order form on OFR website and typically about your name and the shipping address and the shipping choice and the very important information, okay, which is your tracking number. You need to copy and paste the tracking number to OFR order form, plus a screenshot if you can. It's a choice. A screenshot can help OFR warehouse to organize what's your order details and see if there anything the seller sent the wrong items, so they are going to inform you via email. And now I'm going to show you step by step how to fill the order form from Taobao and switch to OFR website. Let's go.
So I use the second phone, open my translator and translate my Taobao app into English, which is easier for me to understand everything. And I click that, and also I went to my account on the right corner over there, and also I opened all the transaction there. So I found my Taobao order. The middle one is the tracking number. You can click the tracking information. At the right middle line over there is the tracking number. I copy it. I will switch to OFR website, and then I found the order form. I started to fill out this order form. I select the shipping choice, group shipping, and then I also select group choice, door to door. I'm going to check all the prices and the details on the page. After that, I check shipping way, which shipping way I want. Please select. So you're going to click the drop down arrow and find which shipping way you want. Ocean ship, which is much cheaper. That's good. And then I fill out my name, my last name, my first name, and my email address. Remember, email address is super important. It's super important. Don't write any wrong email address. That's really, really important. Then you're going to paste your tracking number. We just copied in the after the email address. Paste over there, and then also simply describe my order is a doormat. Also screenshot your order if possible. Yeah, I wanted to back my there, and I would screenshot, and then I went back the website again. So I uploaded the screenshot, and then so OFR know what I ordered over there. After that, I check awareness, and I'm not a robot, so verify I'm not a robot and submit. Once I submit, I wanted to ask you to join, or you can log in your computer to get your order details. I open my Taobao app, and then on the left corner there is a scan icon. Click that, and then go to the Taobao and scan the code, and click confirm scan, which is a green button, orange button. Then you're going to open your Google Translate to translate.